After analyzing tiny particles from lunar samples, scientists at the Beijing Research Institute of Uranium Geology found a new mineral named the Changesite. This is one of the laboratories at the Research Institute. One of its main functions is to store the lunar samples brought back by Chang'e-5 lunar probe.
The lunar samples are usually kept in the glove box here, and we designed another box when samples are transferred to different labs.
At this point, a complicated process of analysis begins. On this part of the building, there is a very special laboratory, and new finding on the lunar sample is made from here, which is based on the technology of X-ray diffraction. Lab workers use the machine to detect the crystal structure of the new mineral.
One of the issues in analyzing the samples, the particles are very small. A sesame seed's length is about 2 to 3 millimeters. In comparison, the particle is less than that of 1/200th of the seed.
And the selection process took about 2 months to finish. And after scientists submitted their findings with evidence, it was approved by the International Mineralogical Association. In this laboratory, Chinese scientists also did research and analysis on helium-3, a potential fusion energy source in the future. And for the first time, scientists determined the concentration of helium-3 from the samples.
Chang'e-5 landed a new site. The lunar samples it collected were different from the Apollo and lunar mission locations, so the sample composition and grain size distribution are somewhat different. These are closely related with the concentration of helium-3. Such systematic research is very meaningful.
Chinese scientists are excited by the systematic findings from the lunar samples and mineral structures, especially the new mineral Changesite.
In China, there is a very beautiful mythology that a charming lady, Chang'e, lives in the luna with a cute rabbit. So we named the new mineral after her name. We think it could be a good gift to our people and also to inspire the passion of the young generation to the scientific research program of the astronomy adventure.
I think the finding of the new mineral has enriched and given the impetus to the development of the mineralogy, and it also pushes us to study and know more about the moon and the deep space.